saying hello in the chat. Okay, so you don't know what this exercism is? Come on. It gives you, I guess, exercises, drills for learning languages. It's a good idea. I'm not so happy about the implementation of it, though. Okay, so here you can see that this is one that I did. Bleed already. This is like the beginner ones. Okay. I want to do what I was working on before was hemming. Okay, so first let's put this like this. Let's put it like that and then like that. Oh, okay, now let's get the tests running. Yeah, I want the test in this. Yeah, okay. And let's see, val buffer. Tell me if you can't see the screen, if somebody's there. Then we can do ERT test. Yeah, and I got one that actually worked. Which one actually worked? Should this allow first strand longer? Okay. Should error. Well, that's something new for me because I don't really have to know how to do errors in Emacs. Okay. So here's what I've got so far. Oh, because all of them error. So that's why that works. Okay, so let's also no. Look at the readme. Mutations, I don't care. This is called the hamming distance. Okay. Okay, so it's just calculating the difference of other strings. Okay, hamming distance is only defined for a sequence of equal length. Okay, so sequences are equal. This means that based on the definition, each language could deal with getting sequences of equal length differently. So it's supposed to have error. It's supposed to have an error if they're not the same length. I guess that's a pretty easy case to do. So I get Gen 1 to Gen 2. So I think we do steal it. Yeah. So we can do equals. Right. What do we got? String length. Do we have string length? String. It's string width. String up. String. Damn it. String. Trim. To int. To list. String width. What is string width? What is string? Returns the width of the string displayed in the current buffer. No, string. There's no string length. Oh, there's no size. Bytes. String width is the returns the bytes of string. If string is multi-byte, this may be greater than the length of string. Well, we're not doing multi-byte. There's no length. Is there a length? Oh, there's a length. Length is the length of vector, list, or string. Okay, great. Length, strand 1. What can I do? Okay, length, strand 1 and length 2. So just test that out. So if I do, how do I do an error? Error is a compiled list of signaling an error. Okay, by passing args to the format message conventions. The error messages start with capital letters, at end with a period. Okay, please follow a convention. Second convenience. So it's like using format. Let's just try one. Error. And let's digit. And let's see what that does. Error. Right. Good. Okay. This should be if. And then we do an error. Lengths of strands must match. Don't match. Okay, let's get rid of that, and let's get back to what was ERT track mode? Let's ERC track mode. See that? Up. Whoa. Wait, even my small distance, large distance, empty strands. Hey, that should error. Is there not equals here? Not equals? Do we have a not equals here? I have to wrap this in on. Okay. Not. Really? There's no. Right. Good. Okay, great. Let's see how many of those also fast. Okay. So the next case that would be easy if we got past this, if the length, so the lengths we know are the same. So we can do another easy case that if length if length strand one, come on. One if equals 0, length of string 1. This one we see, I'm working like a PHP developer now. That's what I've been doing. Okay, let's go back to it's empty. There's one small distance, empty strands. And that passed. Now this can actually, if there's 0, the strands will be equal. So there's equal. So I can just replace that. Not if I do equal if. Right. So let's get rid of that. And your strand 1, strand 2. Okay, now identical strands. Ah. Why? Huh? I don't understand. Oh wait, there's. How did you get that? How do you get the? Why are they not equal? Why is that not equal? Huh? Q. EQ. Oh, the same Lisp object. Floating point numbers are equal value of equal. What's the difference between that and equal? Try that. Don't really understand. Okay, so that can be. Also compare strings, case insensitively. Let's try this one. Okay, so I don't want to use the equal sign, I want to use equal. So hopefully somebody, let's put some comments down here for the versions for mentor. What is the right type of equal check to use for strings? What don't you like about that? White space found at the line. Okay, so that should. Oh, I forgot to evaluate it. Oh, it's still not. What about this one? This one works. Oh, come on. Oh, because I didn't. It's supposed to be equal. Didn't complete it right. Oh, okay. Let's run the whole test suite again. Okay, so how do I loop over a string? Let's first thing, let's check and see if we got somebody here watching. I don't need to open. No comments. Oh, man. No stuff open here. I don't need all this garbage open. Let's get some memory back. Yeah, 3 guys watching. Come on, guys. But nobody's in the Jitsi chat either. It's going to be a lot more. It's much more real time if you go in the Jitsi chat and see the link in the description. Okay, let's get back to doing this. Okay, so equal. Okay, so if they're not equal, now we've got to do a loop over the. So how do we do loops? Let's take a look at our helpful info manual. Info. Emacs goodies, Emacs Lisp. List. List intro. Let's see what the Emacs list intro is. Working with buffers, killing looping. To list. What does it mean? To listen to times while do list works like a while loop that CDRs down a list. And the car of each sorted was first of its arguments. Yeah. Quicker to write than the equivalent while loop. Other list macros. Do list, do times. So do list. Okay, security. Okay. Do list. Element. We're doing set queue. Yeah, you can do it. Okay. If you want to reverse. I want a while loop list. See, let's take a look at. Oh, sorry, how did I get back there? Go back to info. Do times. Okay, let value do times 3. Do times microservice do this, except that it loops a specific number of times. First argument of do times is assigned. The first argument to do times is assigned the numbers 0, 1, 2. So for each time around the loop, the value of the third argument is returned. You provide value of the second argument, just how many times the macro loops. For example, the following binds number from 0 up to, but not including the number 3. Okay, so do times number 3. IQ value, number value. Okay, so I don't really understand this. So the first argument to do times is assigned the number. Okay, so that's our I. That's our iterator value. And 3 is the number of times. So the second argument is the number of times. Third argument is what we're going to return. Oh, okay. That seems like what I want to use. All right. How did I get here? So let's do some playing around here, and we'll do let ham ham score. That'd be 0. Okay, then we want to do some doodle. Hey, I wonder what's that do? Times. Oh, it's not right here. Okay, 2 times. And the var is going to be what's it called? Number. Index. Position. Position. It's weird. Why is it in the list like this? Position. Okay, in this we want to use the length of strand 1. We're going up to the length of strand 1. And we want to return the ham score. Ham score. Ham score, no? Go to ham score. How did that happen? Okay, now we're inside of 2 times, and this should be the body. Two times. Oh, bien. Okay. Okay, hand score. Where are we at? 2 times. Bar. Result. Now let's just see that this works. Let's just have it do. I'm just going to count the string here. Let's just count. No, so ham score. Ham score. So plus equals. Plus equals. 1 plus. So let's just, for now, strand 1, let's just go to place it by hand, A, B, C. This is just a stupid way. Wrong type. We went let ham score on 2 times. Length, ABC, position 0, while, position. Well, why didn't that work? Okay. Wrong type argument. This is P0. What did I not do right here? Okay, what are you complaining about? Because you need to do this. Right? Right. Hey, that didn't work. Oh, so I can't. That's got to be. returns a number plus 1. So it doesn't come on, there's no like increment or ham. No. I hope somebody's watching and laughing at this. Okay, so that works. Now what we want to do is instead of that, we want to get the position out of a string. So how do we get check. So probably return the nth element of a sequence. Strings are sequence, right? See? Sorry. 98. What the heck is a 98? Oh, because that's probably the value. 98. There's an nth. I think there's an nth. Now let's try if there's a string nth. Nth. Come on, there's got to be the right way of the string. What's string to this gonna do? Why is this here twice? I'm making it by 2 multi-byte characters. Oh, somebody's here, finally. So, string inflection. Come out. Okay. I'll go and check out who's on Jitsi. Somebody's here because I gotta go in a minute. Somebody's here, but you left. Oh no, I hear you. I see you. I see you. Somebody on Jitsi. Hi, Jitsi user. Should be much faster than what's going on with what you see on the YouTube. Nobody's chatting on YouTube anyway. I'm not sure if I'm going to get your chat if you say hi on the chat, in the Jitsi chat. Okay, let's get back to fixing this because I got to go in 10 minutes. Okay, so what was I doing here? Let's see. How string to list work? String to there should be like a substring. Why does it? Do we have like a kata string? Okay, so we got kata string. Wait, string to list was like that. We got kata string. I can get car off string. Okay, let's try a different way of doing this. Is there substring? Substitutes no odd. Whoa, never mind a tree. That's neat. Okay, where'd you go? Substring. Yeah, okay. Substring. Substring string. New string sentences are from the string to. Okay. Substring. Okay, so we got A, B, C. And let's see if we do 0, 0. What's that going to give me? Give me nothing. 0, 1. 2, 3. Boy, this is going to be messy. Okay. There's no way to get over that. Wait. There. Well, if you're such a dummy. I don't care what the actual string is. I just care that if the character codes are the same, that's fine. Okay, so we don't need to do this. We can do set q ham score to ham score. To this. Okay, this should work. Length, strand, 1. Okay, and then we can do ham score of nth strand 1. Strand 2. No, that's not going to work. And we can just do an if. If these are equal, and we'll give you a 1. Yeah, ugly, ugly, ugly code. Okay. So if they're not equal, do I have a not equal? Unequal. Do I really have to do rapid in that? Oh, come on. There's got to be an unequal. So I'm not the only person that's asking this. I really have to. Quality predicates. Emacs package dev handbook. Hey, how did I get that? Equal, 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 equal. Oh, really? Equal, equal, equal. Not. There's no not equal. Really, I gotta go. Not. Come on. So there's slash equal is not equal. I gotta go 5 minutes. Okay, we got this thing's almost done. Okay, so this not equal. Okay. If that yeah, okay. Position position. Right. Now if I do nth a b c of 0 is good. So hopefully it's gonna give me Okay. Let's say ELT. ELT is backwards from nth. Okay, so this is ELT. This is really ugly. And let's get this whole thing into there, and hopefully this will work. Well, that's my else. Oh, somebody left or somebody came in? Boom, you left. You didn't like what I had to say. Okay, I don't care. Yeah, where'd he go? And this is ugly as heck. I'll clean it up in a second. Let's just see if it works. Go to ERT. Try it on you. Passed. 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 What? Did I not understand the requirements here? That very much could be. Okay. It is found by comparing the data and counting how many of the nucleotides are different from their equivalent in the other string. No, I really want to get it done. Okay, why didn't that work? Okay, let's just first get this piece of garbage cleaned up. No, those are the equals. Oh, why is that? Why is he not like that? Set Q, ham score. Okay. Ham score and should be 0 if not, though, right? Type argument. I'm talking what wrong type argument. What did I do wrong here? Large distance. These ones passed. Oh no, I really gotta go. I blind. Wrong type argument. But where? Okay, that's crap. I really gotta go. There was a way to get the trace back of these. Stack trace maybe was S. Trace. Backtrace. Aha! Come on. No. What did not? Which one did I not like? ERT redundancy. Lambda. Hamming distance. Position 0. Position 0, while. Well, I gotta go. Sorry, guys. If somebody's actually watching this, I will have to do it another time. Figure out where is my position. That ham score equals 0. That 2 times length, same position. No, that was working. Ah, come on. We really gotta get out of here. Set Q position 1 plus position. I should be doing it that kind of, yeah, this is kind of the fuck. Okay, I gotta go. Oops, I forgot to turn off the stream. I'll be back, maybe. Probably not. How do I stop streaming? Bye for now.